Just a short video about my EDC rotation for the next upcoming weeks. That's knife collector here. Thanks for tuning in, my name is Henk and I just want to do this short video about my EDC rotation, at least knife rotation for the next coming weeks. Just a short explanation. These knives, all of them I'm very impressed of. Of course there are a lot more knives I'm impressed of, but these four in particularly I'm very impressed of, and I wanted to test them out and do an update video end of December or maybe beginning of next year, just because I think they are interesting knives for viewers of my channel. First of all, this is the budget knife amongst them, Y-Start GJO1 Gin 01. Let me see. No, it isn't mentioned on the blade. Yeah, the Y-Start Gin 01. I did the first impressions video of this knife and I really am impressed with this knife. It's a knife in the $20 price range. Very smooth, runs on washers but behaves like it's on bearings. No blade play, very well centered, and according to the blade D2 tool steel, I have my doubts if it's really D2 or that it is the Chinese equivalent 9CR13 MOV or 9CR18 MOV or something like that, and then it's more like 440B or 440C. I have just some minor micro shipping at the tip. I think it came by cutting something on a ceramic plate, and of course you shouldn't cut on a ceramic plate, but it was just light cutting work. So here you can see it. It could be. There's also some dirt. I don't think you can see it. The things you can see are probably some dirt. Anyway, what I already noticed of this knife was that behind the edge it's probably pretty thick because it didn't slice excellent when cutting soft materials like tomatoes, and slicing harder materials it more wedged or broke the material like a potato. But it is sharp and it is quite an impressive knife, so I really want to test it out and do an update very soon. The only disadvantage of this knife is it doesn't have a clip and it bothers me a little bit, so I am thinking of attaching a clip myself. Anyway, the Y-Start Yin 01. Then this one I did a video I think about 3 months ago. Very impressive Kizer. The Kizer K4424. This one has impressed me very much. F35VN full titanium spear point, very capable knife, hard use knife. I promised to do an update. I haven't done yet, so I really have to keep my promise and do this update. So past 2 months I didn't carry it because too many knives to carry, to try, but I promise you December or beginning of the new year I will do an update with some footage of knife in action. But this far it held up very good, and I've used it quite a lot, but I will do an update. Then the steel wool apostate. I did a first impressions video last week. This was a gift from a good friend Wes, and I'm super impressed by this knife, so I'm very keen to test it out, and it deserves an update video with testing footage also. And then finally, if I had to pick one knife right now, because whatever reasons I had to flee or leave the house, or because zombies are flooding the town or the country or whatever, I would pick this one. Thick titanium slabs, M390 blade steel, very well built. I would pick this one definitely, the V614 new model. It is available at retailers now, I think, or resellers. So very impressed, and I'm very keen to test this out as well. Of course, I showed last week also 4 other models of V. Those are on a pass around among some other YouTube channels, and it will take quite some time before I get those back. In the meantime, I can test this thoroughly, so I can do an update end of December or in January 2017. So just my quick update. Any questions or comments, I will try to answer all of them. If you like this video, please like it. If you like my channel, please subscribe. That's it for now. Bye bye.